how to redeem code in Dragon City. Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that can you redeem code in Dragon City or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Dragon City app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. I am sorry to say to you guys, but I need to tell you that there are no codes that you can use and then redeem for food or diamonds. Even if you see any types of ads saying that you can redeem Dragon City code, I suggest you ignore them because these all are fake. If you go to the game website where you can get the most real information, you will see that there is no code here. The only way to earn resources and dragons in the game is by making some effort. That's all for this video.